Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my apartment. As I mentioned in my last video, since I'm participating in the Disney College program this fall, the intros and outros for the next few videos are going to be recorded here as opposed to my kitchen back home. It is September and school is finally back in session, so if you're looking for the best back to school snack, don't worry, I got you covered. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create these delicious and very addicting Rice Krispie sandwiches. This recipe does originally call for peanut butter, but if you have someone in your family who is allergic to peanuts or tree nuts, do not worry, you can easily substitute the peanut butter out for a butter of your choosing, such as sunflower butter or cookie butter. I would go with the cookie butter. I'm so excited to make these treats with you all, so with that being said, let's put on our chef's coats. And let's get baking. To make the peanut butter Rice Krispie mix for these peanut butter Rice Krispie sandwiches, you'll need 6 ounces of butterscotch chips, a half a cup of peanut butter or the butter of your choosing, and 4 cups of Rice Krispie cereal. In a medium saucepan, melt the peanut butter or the butter of your choosing and the butterscotch over medium heat. Once melted, add in the Rice Krispie cereal and mix until well coated. Remove it from the stove and spread half of the mixture in a 9x9 pan covered in parchment paper. This next part is a little hack I figured out, so placing the top layer of the Rice Krispie would be easy. Spread the remaining half into the pan with parchment paper and let them both refrigerate. While that is in the fridge, let's make the chocolate filling. You'll need 6 ounces of chocolate chips, 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 2 tablespoons of water, and half a cup of powdered sugar. Back over to the stove, melt the chocolate chips, butter, and water together using the double boiler method. Once everything is melted, add the powdered sugar and mix until it's all combined. To assemble, lift the top layer of Rice Krispie from the pan and spread the chocolate mixture over the bottom layer. Remove the parchment paper from the top layer of Rice Krispie and place it over the chocolate spread and press down. Place the pan back into the refrigerator until it is all set. Remove it from the pan and cut into squares. And now you have a delicious after school or studying snack. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and hit that notification button so you know when the next video is. Also, share this video with your friends and family and tell them to subscribe as well. It is totally free to do so, and we have a lot of fun on this channel. I have a lot of fun making these Rice Krispie treats with y'all, and I hope you did as well. This is a perfect snack for any student of any age, whether you are starting preschool, elementary school, even if you're a senior in college, and going from a post-undergraduate's perspective of us not having an oven in certain common areas, just a stove and a fridge. Yes, these are the perfect snacks to make. That's all you need. You need a stove and a fridge. They will help you through finals, along with energy drinks and coffee. If any of you recreate these delicious Rice Krispie treats we made or any of the other desserts I've made on this channel, please DM me at this Instagram account to get an awesome shout out. Hope everyone is staying safe and well. Enjoy your Rice Krispie treats and have an amazing school year. Bye!